Welcome back. My name is Dr. Carl Baird, and today I'll be demonstrating exercises and progressions to get you from the floor to a standing position without needing to use any assistance. And so in a previous video, I had demonstrated an easy trick if you're limited by mobility or pain on how to get from seated to standing. But ideally, we want to be able to do that without using any sort of tricks. We just want to be strong and functional enough to get from the floor to a standing position. So that's what I'm going to do in today's video, show you a couple things you can do and progressions to use to do that. So first things first, we have to be able to get into this all fours position. This is where we need to be able to get to. From there, the next step is to come onto our knees. So you can either walk yourself up, or if you're strong enough, just sit up to get into this knee position. From there, we want to get into a kneeling position. So we're going to take one of our legs and bring it up into this kneeling position. From there, what we want to do is press up off of this leg. You can use the back toe a little bit too if it's comfortable. To press up off the front leg, use a little bit of our toe to get into the standing position and walk it together. So those are the three progressions. Now obviously, if you're in pain, if you're limited by mobility, that's going to be a lot harder to do than I just made it look there. So this is where using something like a suspension trainer, I use these TRX here, is going to be really beneficial to help you build strength and confidence in this movement. So if you're struggling to do that, just body weight, let's use these suspension trainers. So what we're going to do, it just gives you something to hold on to. So first step, come into that kneeling position. Then from there, you've got your arms. And so what's nice about these is your hands can assist a little bit. They help a little bit with balance too. So holding on, you can just press through that front foot and the toe, and you just come up and down like that. And as you get better, as you get stronger, you can start relying on the suspension trainers less and less. So there you have it. Those are the progressions to get from a seated position to a standing position. Where you start just depends on your ability level, but if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'm happy to help. Thank you so much for watching. This is Dr. Carl Baird with Solving Pain with Strength. Hey, it's Dr. Baird here. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube page to catch all our videos designed to help you build the strength and confidence to live active, healthy, and happy lives. You won't find it anywhere else.